Everyone. This is me, Uzma Sami Khan, with a new course of data engineering. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating field of data engineering, which forms the foundation of modern data driven organizations. Data engineering is the process of collecting, storing, processing, transforming, and delivering data so that it can be used effectively for analytics, reporting, artificial intelligence, and business decision making. In simple terms, data engineers build and maintain the systems and pipelines that move data from different sources to the right destination in a reliable, secure, and scalable way. Whether the data comes from the applications, databases, APIs, IoT devices, or cloud platforms, data engineering ensures that it is available, accurate, and ready for use. In this lecture, we will understand the key concepts of data engineering. First of all, I'm telling you all the courses which we will do within the data engineering main course. So our course content include introduction to data engineering essentials using SQL, Python, and PySpark. Then we will get start with SQL for the data engineering. We will set up tools for data engineering essentials. We will set up application tables and data in PostgreSQL database. Then we will go to writing basic SQL queries, with cumulative aggregations and ranking in SQL queries, then SQL troubleshooting and debugging guide. After that, we will go for the performance tuning of SQL queries. Our ninth lecture will be exercise for basic SQL queries. 10th lecture will be the solutions for the basic SQL queries. Then we will get start the Python. Our 12th lecture will be the Python collections for data engineering. Our 13th lecture will be data processing using Pandas data frame APIs. Then we will do a project 1, which will be the file format converter using Python. Our project 2 will be the files to database loader. Then our 16th lecture will be troubleshooting and debugging Python issues. 17th lecture will be performance of tuning Python applications. Then we will start GCP. Then overview of big data and data lakes will be our 19th lecture. Our 20th lecture will be the overview of Spark and Spark architecture. 21st will be the setup Databricks environment using GCP. 22nd will be the basic transformations using Spark SQL. We will create delta tables using Spark SQL in our 23rd lecture, and our 24th lecture will be predefined functions in the Spark SQL. 25th lecture will be set up Spark metastore tables for basic transformation. Then we will filter data using Spark SQL queries in our 26th lecture. Aggregations using Spark SQL queries will be our 27th lecture, and we will use joins using Spark SQL queries. Sorting using Spark SQL queries, then copy query results into Spark metastore tables, then ranking using Spark SQL windowing functions. Then we will our 32 lecture will be the processing JSON like data using Spark SQL. Then we will start PySpark data frame APIs. Then this will be our 33rd lecture. Then we will create Spark data frames using PySpark data frame APIs, basic transformations using PySpark data frame APIs, joining data using Spark data frame APIs. Then in our 37th lecture, we will use PySpark data frame APIs. We will use ranking. 38th lecture will be integration of Spark SQL and PySpark data frame APIs. Then ELT data pipelines using Databricks will be our 39th lecture. Performance tuning of Spark Catalyst Optimizer. Our 41st lecture will be the performance tuning of PySpark cluster configuration. 42 will be the performance tuning while inferring schema from CSV or JSON files. 43rd lecture will be the performance tuning using columnar file format and partitioning strategy. Then at 44 lecture, we will set up Hadoop and Spark cluster using Dataproc. Recap of important Linux commands for data engineering will be done on our 45th lecture, then mastering Hadoop, HDFS commands and concepts, build Hive applications in Hadoop and Spark app clusters. Then we will get started with the Splunk SQL on Hadoop and Spark clusters. Build real-time applications using Spark SQL with Shell wrapper. Then we will get started with the PySpark on Hadoop and Spark clusters. We will submit Python-based Spark applications, logging in Python-based Spark application, and the performance tuning of Spark application on Hadoop. These will be our course contents. This we will do 53 lectures and we will complete all the data engineering in our 53 lecture. My name is Uzma Sami Khan. Thank you for the video.